Let's talk about 3 incredible positions that bring deep connection, pleasure, and even multiple climaxes for her. Positions that work beautifully at any age, any body type, and any stage of life. Because when we're mindful about intimacy in our later years, it's not just about performance. It's about presence, comfort, and truly satisfying your partner every single time. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Harper, your trusted guide here on Mindful Senior Living, where we talk openly and respectfully about love, intimacy, and staying vibrantly connected as we age. So stay with me, because position number 3 is a gentle game changer that reaches places most couples never discover after 50, and it feels absolutely exquisite when done with care and confidence. First, a timeless favorite that almost guarantees she finishes beautifully and often more than once, her on top, in full control. Many gentlemen tell me they feel a little vulnerable in this position, but here's the gift. When she's on top, she can move exactly how her body needs. She can rock, circle, grind gently against you for clitoral bliss, and find the perfect rhythm that sends waves of pleasure through her. All you need to do is relax, stay present, and hold a gentle, loving firmness. Let her lead at first. Place your hands softly on her hips or thighs, not to control, but to connect. When you feel her breath quicken, when her body begins to tremble, that's your loving cue to support her rhythm with tender guidance. Women in our community say this position makes them feel safe, sensual, and powerfully in tune with their pleasure, and that usually means a breathtaking finish every time. Position number 2 feels deliciously intimate and a little adventurous, yet it's wonderfully joint-friendly. You sit comfortably in a sturdy armchair, and she straddles you face to face, her legs gently draped over the sides. Gravity does beautiful things here. The slight downward angle allows deeper, fuller sensation while keeping pressure off knees and backs. You can hold each other close, kiss deeply, look into each other's eyes, and let her rock at whatever pace feels heavenly. It's incredibly romantic, and many couples over 60 tell me this seated embrace brings back the passion of their younger years, only now with wisdom, tenderness, and earth-shaking orgasms. Now, before we go to the 3rd position, a gentle reminder. Lasting pleasure at any age depends on healthy blood flow and relaxed, strong, smooth muscle function in the pelvic area. That's why so many of our viewers quietly use Red Boost, a natural, science-backed supplement with horny goat weed, tonkadali, maca root, L-citrulline, and nettle root to support nitric oxide, circulation, and that firm, reliable stamina we all want. You'll find Red Boost linked below if you're curious. And now, the 3rd position, the one that takes just a touch of loving confidence, but rewards you both with sensations most couples never experience, the gentle elevated bridge. She lies on her back near the edge of the bed. You stand or kneel comfortably in front of her. Lovingly bring her knees up toward her chest and rest her calves gently on your shoulders or forearms, so her hips naturally tilt upward just a little. It's like a supported, luxurious version of missionary that opens an entirely new angle. This position allows the most exquisite contact with her front vaginal wall and G-spot and A-spot while keeping everything relaxed and pressure-free on her lower back. Hold her with steady, reassuring hands, move slowly and mindfully, and watch her melt. Many women say this is the position that finally gave them the deep, rolling, full-body climaxes they thought were only for younger years. These 3 mindful positions, her on top, seated embrace, and gentle elevated bridge, work wonderfully at any age because they're built on angle, connection, clitoral caress, and emotional safety rather than athleticism. Master them with presence and care, support your natural vitality, and you'll both enjoy richer, longer-lasting intimacy well into your golden decades. If tonight's conversation brought you hope, new ideas, or a spark of excitement, please subscribe to Mindful Senior Living and ring the bell. We share gentle, respectful intimacy guidance every week. Drop a comment and kindly let me know which position you'll try first. Thank you for trusting me with these tender topics. Keep loving fully, keep connecting deeply, and keep living mindfully. See you in the next video.